research, there is still much to learn about how and why food choices affect cancer risk. There is mounting evidence that the foods we eat may increase our chances of developing some types of cancer. According to recent research by the World Cancer Research Fund International, stomach cancer is one of them. It is the fourth most common cancer in India. Cancer may develop in any part of your stomach. Through most stomach cancer cases in the Western population develop at the junction of your stomach and esophagus. Among the South Indian population, cancer of the lower part of the stomach called the pylorus is common. Stomach cancer is much common in Asian countries than in the Western countries. In November, it is observed as Stomach Cancer Awareness Month every year to raise awareness on the life-changing condition, the risks involved, and how to mitigate them. According to ongoing research into the nutrition and cancer risk, there is still much to learn about how and why food choices affect cancer risk. Some foods are prone to cancer and are as follows. 1. Diets with high salt. An excessively salt diet and pickled food may make several cancers more likely, especially stomach cancer. Indians are generally found in pickles. Moreover, eating foods in high salt may cause the synthesis of nitro compounds. Many of these have identified by the IARC as probably carcinogenic to humans. Another food that may lead to your risk of cancer is red and processed meats. Recent research findings state that excessive consumption of processed meat is strongly associated with several cancers. According to 2018 analysis by trusted source, consuming more processed meat like sausages up to 60 grams per day and red meat up to 150 grams per day elevated the risk of colorectal cancer by nearly 20%. According to World Health Organization assessment, processed meats are carcinogenic to humans, increasing your risk of colorectal cancer by 18%. Another food that may increase your risk of stomach cancer are food supplements. Specific food supplements and chemical contamination from food packaging may also contribute to the elevated risk of cancer. By eating foods that have undergone extensive processing. Consuming foods that have undergone extreme processing is associated with several other chronic diseases such as 2 diabetes, heart disease, and an increased risk of death from all causes. The other type of food is ultra-processed food. Deeply processed food ingredients derived from industrial processing as protein isolates, hydrogenated oils, high fructose corn syrup, flavor enhancers, artificial sweeteners, and thickeners are frequently included in food products. Packaged sweets and savored snack foods, soda and energy drinks, morning cereals, reconstituted meat products, frozen pizzas, candies, and are more ultra-processed meals and drinks. Diets rich in ultra-processed foods such as Western world diets greatly raise the chance of developing stomach cancer. And symptoms of stomach cancer may include trouble sweating, belly pain, feeling bloated after eating, feeling full after eating small amounts of food, not feeling hungry when you will expect to be hungry, heartburns, indigestion, nausea, vomiting, loss of weight without trying, feeling very tired, stools that look like black. Stomach cancer doesn't always cause symptoms in its early stages. When they happen, symptoms might include indigestion and pain in the upper part of the belly. Symptoms might not happen until the cancer is advanced. Later stages of stomach cancer might cause symptoms such as feeling very tired, losing weight without trying, vomiting blood, and having black stools. Stomach cancer that spreads to other parts of the body is called metastatic stomach cancer. It causes symptoms specific to where it spreads. For example, when cancer spreads to the lymph nodes, it might cause lumps you can feel through the skin. Cancer can spread to the liver, might cause yellowing of the skin and whites of the eyes. If cancer spreads within the belly, it might cause flues to fill the belly. The belly might look swollen. If you have signs and symptoms that worry you, make an appointment with your health care provider. Many conditions can cause symptoms that are like the ones caused by stomach cancer. Your provider might test for those other causes first before testing for stomach cancer. On the other hand, it is not clear what causes stomach cancer. Experts believe most stomach cancers start when something hurts the inside lining of the stomach. Examples include having an infection in the stomach, having long-standing acid reflux, and eating a lot of salty foods. Not everyone with this risk factor gets stomach cancer, so more research is needed to find out exactly what causes it. Stomach cancer begins when something hurts cells in the inner lining of the stomach. It causes the cells to develop changes in their DNA. A cell's DNA holds the instructions that tell a cell what to do. The changes tell the cell to multiply quickly. The cells can go on living when healthy cells will die as part of their natural life cycle. This causes a lot of extra cells in the stomach. The cells can form a mass called a tumor. Cancer cells in the stomach can invade and destroy healthy body tissues. They might start to grow deeper into the wall of the stomach. In the time, cancer cells can break away and spread to other parts of the body. When cancer cells spread to another part of the body, it is called metastasis, as I have said earlier. There are also types of stomach cancer. The first one is called adenocarcinoma. This one starts in the cells that produce mucus. This is most common type of stomach cancer. Nearly all cancers that start in the stomach are adenocarcinoma stomach cancer.